A life lived in color is not black and white. Okay, practice with me. It's just an A hand. Life, L hands, palm in. Life, life, life. Live is the same, yet with A hands. Live, live, lived, past tense. Lived, lived, in. Put your lead hand in your support hand. In, color, color. Wiggle your fingers on your chin. Color, color, is. Have your I and your S. You rock it out a little bit. Is, not, not. So you're going to take your thumb and you're going to brush it under your chin and out. Not, not, not. Black. Your first finger goes across your eyebrows, starting at your opposite side and going to the same side. Black, black, and open your hand on the opposite side, close it on the same side, and white, white. So with white, your hand is open and it's going to come away from your body and close. It's going to do this twice, and they're short, fast movements. So it looks like this, and from the front view, it's white, white, white. Okay. Ready to say it? Here we go. A life lived in color is not black and white. Or, a life lived in color is not black and white.